It all started here. One idea that turned into many. That grew into something bigger and bigger and bigger. A Swedish pioneer turned global enterprise. 53,000 people worldwide. Several hundred working with R&D for the automotive industry. 300,000 tools produced each year, used to assemble every third car on our planet. Everything comes down to a few seconds. Your seconds. They need to be precise, accurate, and reliable. We care about those seconds because in every nut and bolt, in every tightening, we're with you. Being a trusted partner to guide and support, providing tools, software, and solutions that accelerate your journey towards the smart factory. 150 years ago, we started this business. And for the next 150 years, we'll continue to drive it, second by second, decade by decade. We are Atlas Copco, built to stand the test of time.